Hello everyone. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And those who did not follow me yet, please do click the follow button and notification bell so that you will be able to see my latest videos. Ayan. And for those who are not able to follow, guys, I have my Facebook page, Dida Ian. You can also follow, and my TikTok account, Pure Stone Heart. I will put the link for my TikTok account and my FB page here, guys, and you can follow me, guys. By the way, for today's video, guys, I want to do another video for an unboxing again. You know, I used to have an unboxing for my shoes. I ordered another pair of shoes, and today's video I want to share, disclaimer, this is video not to brag, but just want to share. There you go, guys. So I just received this parcel now from my favorite online shop, and I hope this will satisfy us. Expectations versus reality. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and following my social media account. And let's go. Let's try to check for this one. Actually, guys, I ordered this one last night. Just last night. You know? And it came now. Yes. Oh. Puma pair of shoes. The box is a little bit damaged. I don't know what happened. And Court Rider 2.0 SWXP, and the size is 8.5. Okay, yes, there we goes. I don't know what happening for the box, guys, but anyway, let's forget about the box. And oh my god, this is it. The color combination. Shucks. Oh my god. I really love the color, guys. The detailed of the stitches here is so amazing. The combination colors is, oh my god. See, try to look at it. And the size of this is 8.5. Really? Yes. It's made on. Wow, thank you. I really love this one, the color, guys. When I saw this one online, I right away click this one. So there you have it. I have a new pair of shoes already from Puma. The detail, guys, so amazing. My goodness. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Bye bye. Till next video.